Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing on this 8th of January, on this winter, early January, still on a crystal clear southerly wind, warming temperatures, as yesterday was bitterly cold, with temperatures that were, we got to spin this way real quick. The temperatures were -6 when I got to work yesterday, and this morning they are a balmy, comfortable, relatively warm 14 degrees and rising, right? As the temperatures were rising last night instead of falling, as there's a warm front and some freezing rain. We're going to have about 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. So if you're around central Illinois, be on the lookout, right? We're going to start clearing some of this off real quick. Make this a little bit cleaner to look at. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of some of these. We got too many. All right, there we go. So we got going on here in Bitcoin. You can see we have this head and shoulders, and we're in the daily time frame. You can see we have a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern, right? You can see when Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing got on the market back here, we diagnosed, sniffed out, detected, overted, and subverted, and fleeced, heisted, and shysted the fleeced, heisters, and shysters, the criminal gangsters, the Ohio State University, brother, that have infiltrated the trading market in order to knock down and beat down the retail trader and investor, right? But here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, we diagnosed and we sidestepped and audibled to the perfect play, which was a play action pass to a wide receiver streaking deep down the sideline, right? And that's what we did here, and we told you the price was going to crash, and we gave you lows and targets on the way down where potential buys were. And then when we got bought up here and we hit here and broke up, we said we could be forming some kind of upward wedge, and our upper target was right here at 52,952. We thought it would get rejected here, which would have been a fabulous classic double top. Instead, what this did was breach the all-time high barely, which is an even more classic double top, because you slightly breach, quickly sell off, do not close above the old high, which is bearish, which makes it a classic double top mountain. You can see it beautifully right now, and it was forming this in a rising channel, and you had lower support, brief resistance, and a whole slew of resistance up here, and then a flush, right? And then it flushed all the way down from upper resistance at 53,700 down to lower support at 40,100-ish, right? And then you had a massive final pump from about the great pump of September the 29th of 2021 till the great sideways consolidation of the 19th of October, and then the great flush on the 15th of November. Right about coming into the holidays, the hype train was going, and then you breached this uptrending support, right? Because you had resistance, support, and then a flush. And that was a pattern breakdown, and that's how we knew this was going to keep going. And you can see we're all the way right here now, which is back testing this old pump. So you could get a little bit of a buy right there, but right now it doesn't seem like you are, and it's breaking down. And if you continue to break down the underneath target, as I'm gonna have to let you go soon because I got to get to work, or I'm at work, but I got to actually go into work and do some shit, is the pattern breakdown on what we could be trading within as this descending triangle right here with our industry exclusive drawing tool. See that right there? And the technical target, of course, that wouldn't fucking delete it. The technical target would be right here. Right, that's the technical target down there at about the $38,000 level, right? So that would be if this is a descending triangle that we're forming right here, and then you flush, and that's your technical target. So that's what we're going to be watching out for in the Bitcoin. And then we're going to finish out real quick with a brief synopsis of XRP. You can see we're in this head and shoulders topping reversal pattern, right? Or it's not a topping reversal pattern. It's a head and shoulders bearish consolidation this time, because it looks like we're breaking down, and we did flash wick down there, and we hit our underneath initial support, which was this falling channel. You see this real quick. I'll pull out my industry exclusive pointer tool real quick, perching tool. You can see rejection, resistance, support, whole slew of resistance, flush, support, pump, resistance, flush, support, pump, resistance, flush, support, pump, resistance, flush, support, pump, all the way up to the top of here, which sort of confirms this pattern reversal and fulfills the target when you broke out of this falling channel. Finally, now your next logical spot when we diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected, again, the power of Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, this head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, potential right shoulder. We told you when you break out of here, this was resistance, 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 resistance. So when it breaks up and now it's falling back down at it, it's going to act as support. And it did. And you got pumped back up, but now you're stepping down like you do when you see these big wicks. And I think your next underneath target after you break the neckline, which you are breaking it right now or trying to, but you keep getting bought back up, is all the way down here at 53 cents, which is the double bottom. Or 57 cents is your first bottom, and then your second bottom is 52 cents. And then if you break that way down the line, mid to late February, you could be coming to this 32 cent ring, right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.